Here I'm gonna open up a new model one. Here's the shank, long shank. I'll push it in, click. Once you click, you're holding it this direction, push it in, but you have to turn a little bit to make sure it clicks in. Once it click in, it comes out, and it's not gonna, and when you remove it, go in, and then you go sideways to remove it. And I'll do another one. So first go in, it didn't click, so you have to go turn a little bit until it click, and then you come out, then it clicks. So it has a Phillips head. The head is Phillips, and the screw has a Phillips too. So until it clicks into that head, you have to turn a little bit with a little bit of pressure until you hear the click. Once you click it, it's not gonna release until you go sideways to release. Okay,